Looking for a rancher in Salmon River? Do you need 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms? In need of a workshop? Well, look no further. We have something very special for you.
Welcome to this beautifully maintained 1,900 square foot plus rancher located on a nearly ACRE corner lot in Salmon River, Langley. Offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, this home is as spacious as they come. Enjoy the detached workshop, perfect for hobbies, storage, or a man cave.
Located in a highly desirable area, minutes to Fraser Highway, number 1 highway, JD Farms and Otter Trail Winery, and just a short drive to Willowbrook Mall and all the fun eateries Langley has to offer. Let's go have a look. If you would like more information about this listing or any of our listings, please give us a call at 778-322-7696. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Manpreet Sidhu with the Sherry Saran Real Estate Group, where creating better lives is our purpose.